Here's how you can create a realistic t-shirt mock-up using Photoshop. So first you'll want to go to File, click Save As, and then save this file so you can be using it later. Then you're going to drag in your logo. I'm going to drag this one, resize it to fit into the t-shirt. I think that is okay. There. Then click enter. Then you can convert this to a smart object so you can use it later. And then we want to go to filter and look for the file that we saved earlier. Then go to distort, displacement, then click OK. And then here is the file that saved earlier. And then we can go to, you can right click here and go to blending options, and then you can hold Alt and drag this one until the t-shirt looks realistically printed on the t-shirt. Then click OK. And if you prefer to change the logo, you can double click here and drag in the logo that you want. I'm going to drag this one, the John Cena logo, and then you can hide this one, close this here and click yes, and the logo is realistically mocked on the t-shirt. If you prefer to change a different one, you can also drag in a different logo, drag it up, then click enter, close this one, hide that one, and then close, click yes, and the logo is mocked on the t-shirt. And that's how you can create realistic logo mockups on t-shirt using Photoshop. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.